channel Pen Code, where we'll be writing code using the Java programming language. Today we'll be talking about modulo. So what is a modulo? Is just simply getting the remainder from a number. For example, if we divide 5 by 2, we're not going to have 0 as the remainder. We'll have 1 as the remainder, because if you count 5 and you take 2 out of it and you divide it by 2, you will have 1 left. So when you use a modulo, what it does is that it returns the remainder. And the syntax we use for a modulo is the percentage sign. Now let's quickly go into action and let me show you how to use the modulo. Since we're dealing with numbers, we need to declare a variable. Now let's say variable that we're declaring is int y is equal to, let's say 5. Assign 5 to the variable, and let's say int y is equal to 2. Let's assign 2 to the variable. Sorry, that let's make this x, yeah, and then that y, and then let's say z. So we're going to assign z, x and y to z. So we can say z is equal to x modulo y, and then we can now print it to see if he's going to return a remainder. So what is supposed to return at this point should be 1, because when you divide 5 by 2, you should have 1 remaining. So if we run this code, you can see he's returning 1. Now another way to test it again is if we have 20 and 3. So if you divide 20 by 3, you should have a remainder of 2, I think so. So if we run this, let's just test and see. You see that you have a remainder of 2. Now this is how you use a modulo. Now one place you can apply a modulo is to test if a number is an even number or an odd number. Now when you divide the number by 2, if its remainder is 0, that means the number is an even number, else the number is an odd number. I will put this into practice when we've done the conditional flow. That is, we're talking about the if, the else, and the if-else condition in writing code. And after that, I will do like a simple project using the modulo, and then we'll be able to compare and see where this can be applied in real life or real time. So that will be the end of the video for today. If you enjoyed this video, please do like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment. Until I come your way with another video, is bye for now.